In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log out from the Deepseek app from your phone. If you are done using the app, I have got you covered. First, open up the Deepseek app. Make sure you are logged in. Tap on the top left corner on this icon and tap on your profile icon right here. Here you can see many options. Scroll down and simply tap on Logout. Tap on Logout. And just like that, you are logged out of your Deepseek account. If you want to log in again, simply enter your email and password and you can log in again. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. If you got any question, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.